Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, so on the last event we took the 350Z out. We fucking blew up the clutch on it, so the car's been sitting ever since. I haven't even washed it. Check it out, it's all dirty. Poor car, huh? I got in contact with Eric from Action Clutch, and they are gonna hook me up on a sick ass stage 3 clutch for the 350Z. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up right now. I'm gonna take the Dadmobile. Check it out, broskies. I don't know if I showed you guys, but check out how the cold start sounds on this baby. Shit sounds beast, huh? Alright, broskies, let's head out to Action Clutch. There it is, boys. Keep going. Alright, broskies, before we head home, check it out. Sopecitos. But I think I ordered them de pollo, no? So yeah, broskies, I ordered chicken sopes and they gave me asada. But she said she was gonna exchange them for me, but I didn't want them to throw them away, so I'm just gonna eat them. Chingue su madre. It's fucking hot as fucking. She got pozole. Fuck it. Alright, broskies, check it out. No more fucking slipping. Damn. So this baby right here is stage 4 unsprung. It's gonna be fucking sick. And then let's see, they gave me a little keychain, and then we got our pressure plate right here, clutch alignment tool, pilot bearing, some keychain, and then right here we have our lightweight flywheel. This thing's fucking sick. Sí o sí? Sí o no? There it is. So what do you guys think, broskies? Oh, and then right here we have our slave cylinder, slave and throttle bearing. I think it comes, it's just weird for the Z's, but there it is. What do you guys think, broskies? No more fucking slipping at the track. We're gonna be able to enter in 3rd gear now. I'm excited for that. I'm actually at Jaypees' house right now. We're not gonna install my clutch yet because we're actually gonna do my 350Z clutch here, right? Yeah. Cause I have no room at my house because I have the 240 inside the garage. But anyways, we're gonna do it here at his garage. But before we do that, we gotta finish this fool's car. Well, it's not your car anymore, huh? Previous owner's car. Fucking JP sold his car. Check him out. Fucking way. But he got good money for it. So. Like, even I would have fucking sold this car. He sold it and the kid fucked it up, what, like in 2-3 days?
Yeah, going to GMR.
Yeah, he went to GMR, he fucked up the clutch, and we got the new clutch right here, or what?
Yeah.
Chingon.
Something that he can drive with.
Yep. Something stock. Chingon.
Rep set.
Rep set. Yeah, we're gonna do this shit right now real quick, and then hopefully we can get it out ASAP so we can do my clutch hopefully by the night, huh?
We'll get it out by the night.
Yeah.
We did the other clutch like in 1 day. Not half a day.
You did the tranny, remember?
Oh yeah, huh?
Alright, broski, let's get this shit going. Got the knee clutch in. She was cake. Pretty easy. Now, gotta do is button up the tranny, put it on, and take it for a spin. Are we gonna take it for a spin for or what?
Oh yeah, we're gonna fucking drift the fuck.
Don't lie, fool.
Let's go, I'm down.
Oh, la verga. Fucking tired, my hand hurts. La mano chaquetera hurts. Ah, you know what that means, fool?
Yeah.
What?
Your fucking back hurts.
Nah, fool.
Oh fuck, what is it?
Nah, Google it, fool.
I'm serious. Let me ask serious. How do you say it?
The mano chaquetera?
Mano chacatera?
Alright, let's put the tranny back on, fool.
Alright, cool.
Let's get it. So we just finished installing the transmission, but homeboy right here fucked up the ignition, so we can't start up the car and test it out.
But it's done.
Yep.
We can push start it.
Yeah, we can push start it, but she was a bitch, huh? Check out the old clutch. Check out all the greñas that came out. I think that's like fiberglass, huh?
That's actually itchy as fuck.
Yeah, I feel itchy as fuck. I'm gonna go shower real quick.
What pressure plate? Danny went through the pressure plate, fuck.
Fucking guy.
Driver error.
You don't know how to drift, fool, that's why. Just kidding, dog. But yeah, broskies, I'm gonna fucking go home, shower. And then once you're done, I'm gonna bring my car here, but you'll probably see that till the next video. And then we'll do my clutch.
And then go to Adam's this weekend.
Hell yeah.
He's gonna let me drive his car a session.
Fool, I don't want my clutch looking like that.
You know why? It's because you installed it last time.
Shut the fuck up. You're lucky I didn't charge you, fool, for my services.
So you're my friend.
You thought. That's what fucking Alfonso says all the time. You thought. El nalgas de Hank Hill. But yeah, broskies, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. You already know. And see you guys next time.